So we now know how to calculate the first form of potential energy, which is gravitational potential energy. Let's talk about the next type of potential energy, which is elastic potential energy. An elastic body is a body that can return to its original state after being stretched or compressed. When you take a spring and then you stretch the spring, it will return to its former position. When you take a rubber band, you stretch it, it will return to its original position. But when you take a plastic bottle and then you decide to bend it, it will not return to its position. So we have elastic materials. These are materials that can return or revert to their original state when stretched or compressed. But the plastic ones do not do that. So elastic potential can be seen in a stretched rubber band or compressed string. Once you stretch, this is the spring in its natural state. Once you compress it, you are giving the spring energy with which it will come back to its original state. Once you compress it, you are giving the spring energy with which it will come back to its original state. So after compressing the spring will have potential energy. That potential will be used to come back to its original state. If you stretch it, it will do the same with the energy you've given to it. Once you are stretching it, the body will still be at rest. It will be waiting to be released before it can use the energy to do what it wants to do. So potential energy, as I said, is energy stored. In elastic bodies, this potential energy is stored so that it can use to revert to its original position.